Hello everyone. In this video we are going to cover the exercises of Caught in a Blizzard 2 from your class 7 NRR book. Let us begin. Question number 1. How did the reindeer and the dogs behave when the blizzard started? Answer. When the blizzard started, the reindeer were having great difficulty struggling against it and were beginning to show signs of tiring, while the dogs, whose energy never seemed to fail, would race up and down beside them with short, sharp barks as if to encourage them to go on again. Question number 2. What was the effect of the cold and the wind on the writer? Answer. In spite of her furs, the writer was beginning to feel very cold and was half buried under the snow. Now and then she pinched and rubbed her face in order to make certain that it was not becoming frostbitten. Question number 3. What fear seized the writer when her sledge came to a standstill? Answer. When the writer's sledge came to a standstill, she feared her reindeer had become untied from the back of Purr's pulka, and that she had been left behind. Question number 4. Explain how the blizzard depressed even the dogs later on. Answer. Later on, even the dogs were subdued for once. They were no longer barking, but huddled together and panting, with tongues lolling out. Question number 5. What good prospect made the writer happy? Answer. The writer imagined a night out in the blizzard in a dug out of snow, with her sledge turned up on end as a shelter, and this prospect made her happy. Question number 6. What is a nightmare? Answer. A very bad or frightening dream is called a nightmare. Question number 7. Why did the dogs huddle together? Answer. The blizzard depressed even the dogs. That is why they huddled together. Question number 8. Why was the writer's furs unwieldy? Answer. The writer's furs were unwieldy because it had become stiff with ice and the driving snow. With this, we have completed all the exercises of Caught in a Blizzard Part 2. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.